Hey guys, welcome back to another upSchool video. In this video, we will discuss the solutions for exercise 1.1 of class 9 RD Sharma. So first, let's look into question number 1. Is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0? The solution: 0 is a rational number. It can be written in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. For example, 0 by 5, 0 by 97, and 0 by 1. Now let's look into question number 2. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Now, when we're looking into the problems where we have to find x rational numbers between two different numbers, then try to remember this formula: x plus y by 2, where x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, or x and y could be one of the rational numbers obtained previously. Now let's try to understand this using an example. So here's the solutions written down over here. So in order to obtain the 3 by 2, we did 1 plus 2 by 2. 1 is x and 2 is y. We added both of these, divided by 2, and we got 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is a rational number in between 1 and 2. Now for the next, to obtain the next rational number, we used the rational number obtained. We did 3 by 2. We used it as x and 1 as y, and we did 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is 5 by 4. So using this method, we got solutions: 3 by 2, 5 by 4, 9 by 8, 7 by 4, and 15 by 8. Hopefully you guys have understood. Question number 3. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Now, for the solutions, we can also use the same method by using the x plus y by 2 formula. So the answers are 7 by 2, 13 by 4, 25 by 8, 15 by 4, 31 by 8, and 20 by 6. To obtain 7 by 2, we did 3 plus 4 divided by 8, where 3 is x and 4 is y, and we got 7 by 2. For the next, to obtain 13 by 4, we used 7 by 2 and applied it as x for the formula and 3 as y, and we got the answer 13 by 4. Using the same method, we've got all the 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Question number 4. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Now this question is a bit easier to solve because since it's fractions, we can immediately convert them into like fractions, where we can find an even number of rational numbers between. So 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, they have the same denominator as 5. So if we do 3 by 5 times 6 by 6 and 4 by 5 times 6 by 6 as we did here, we would get 18 by 30 and 24 by 30. 18 by 30 and 24 by 30 have exactly 5 rational numbers between both of the numbers, and that is namely 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, and 23 by 30. So hopefully you guys have understood the solution to this problem. Lastly, question number 5. Are the following statements true or false? First, every whole number is a natural number. That is false, because whole numbers are from 0 to infinity, whereas natural numbers do not start from 0. It's only 1 to infinity. So because 0 is not a natural number, that's why the statement is false, because it says every whole number. Question number 2. Every integer is a rational number. That is true. If we take an integer like negative 5, negative 5 is an integer, and it can be written as a rational number as negative 5 by 1. Third, every rational number is an integer. That is false, because rational numbers such as 5 by 9 is not an integer, but only natural numbers which have 1 as a denominator are integers. Fourth question, every natural number is an integer. That is true. Fifth question, every integer is a whole number. That is false. Not all integers are whole numbers, because integers consist of negative numbers as well, and whole numbers do not consist of negative numbers. Lastly, every rational number is a whole number. That is false, because rational numbers such as 8 by 6 is not a whole number. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.